Hi buddy, good morning. And friend, today's video I'm telling about where did I learn my English. Because friend, at the starting phase of English speaking, in everyone's mind, they want to make a English speaking atmosphere. But friend, I have been living in village from last 2 years. That's why I don't have any English atmosphere to speak English. And same things, today I will show you where did I my English and where did I make my English environment. What happened friend, after lockdown I decided to improve my English skill. And at the starting I start to speak with my some local friend. But they was laughing me, they was kidding me when I was start speaking English. And this same problem it's happen with everyone. But when I then after I start to search on YouTube how to learn English, how to speak, I start to learn most of daily use English sentences, try to remember it and speak it. But it was difficult to me to speak. Then after in on YouTube through one video I got one WhatsApp group link, and there was too much people those was speaking English, and I was speaking with them and I started. But at the starting stage also I was facing lot of problem. I was hesitating, I was making too much minor mistakes. I was translating direct through our mother tongue to English. But day by day, without skipping, I was speaking English. Once I learned all tenses, the structure of tenses, and make a sentences. And I was after making that sentences, I was speaking it loudly to myself, and it will habitual to me after some days later. And then after regularly 6 months I was speaking English with that WhatsApp group of participants. Okay, and I was speaking everyday basis some normal things. I was making mistakes, they was adjusting me. And friend, actually here is that place, here is my village library. I came here, and here is that area. The whole day I was speaking English and I was enjoying it too much. Means when I was coming at 8 a.m. from my home and living here for whole day, and within one day I was 3 or 4 times I was calling with them and speak with them. At the starting phase it was difficult, it was too much hesitation in me, but after speak more and more I overcame on that problem, and now I can speak English very well. Not very well, I want to improve also too much. But friend, if you want to improve your English speaking skill, friend, don't worry about anything. Once you decided, try to improve it. You will get too much hesitation, you will make minor mistakes. For example, instead of are you will use was. This mistake will happen with everyone. Made a mistakes. If you are making mistakes, it's not wrong. But don't make same mistake 3 or 4 times. Improve that mistakes, and 100% it will helpful for you. And friend, if you like this my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.